is up, guys? Deadlock Gesture back again with another Supreme pickup, so stay tuned. So I just want to show you guys my gear, so let's start with bag one. Here we got the Supreme underwear. As you can see, I already opened them. I'm wearing a pair right now. And the funny thing is that this is actually just Hanes underwear with the Supreme logo. As you can see right here, it says Hanes. It's pretty funny. It's the cheapest thing on their website, but I really need underwear, so I just went ahead and bought it. They're really nice. They're made of cotton, so they're breathable, they feel good, they're soft, but they are a little pricey, and they're right above the knee, so they're boxer briefs. Not that bad for Supreme underwear. Next up, bag two. Here we got the Supreme mesh baseball jersey. It's pretty cool. It's black and it has Supreme sewed into this. It was $110 before tax, and it is a size large. I say we open this up and get a closer look.
Watch the sniper, time to pay the piper, and let that real stuff provoke. So you don't wanna be low, can you get smoked? Then I hope that the fans understand when you talk about.
Alright. So here it is, the Supreme mesh baseball jersey. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of holes in it, like I thought it would be. Really cool. Nothing too much to it, just black and white. I don't know if you're supposed to wear a shirt underneath this. I probably will. Alright guys, this is how it looks. What do you think?
Cause I'm the E-A-Z-Y-E-A. This is the season to let the real Compton City G's in. You're like a kid, your father pumping out your dapper. But tell me where the hell you found that anorexic rapper. Talking about who you gon' squabble with and who you shoot. You're only 60 pounds when you're wearing boots. Damn, E, they tried to fade you on Drake Day. But Drake Day only meant Easy's payday. All of a sudden, Dr. Dre is the G thing. But on his own album covers, he was a she thing. So sucker, please, sucker.
I've never had anything like this. This is my first Supreme jersey. The holes are a little big. I don't know how I feel about it yet. You guys tell me in the comments if I should keep this or sell this. Anyways, that's what I got for this order. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always do it, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.